Assume that you want to add fractions that they have different denominators, like these ones. The one will be the fraction 1/5, the other will be the fraction 2/3. The first denominator is 5, the second denominator is 3. In order to add fractions with different denominators, we need to find the least common denominator of those denominators, of 5 and 3. How do you find least common denominators? In the same way that you find least common multiples. Since the numbers that we have here are primes, 5 and 3, the least common denominator will be their product, 5 times 3, equals to 15. How do you add the fractions now? Well, you take each one of those fractions and you change them to an equivalent fraction with denominator 15. In order to do that, what you need to do is to find out how do you change from 5 to 15. In order to change 5 to become 15, you multiply by 3. So this means that you need to multiply by 3 the numerator. The result will be 1 times 3. So the final fraction will be 3 over 15. You do the same for the second fraction. You start with 2 over 3. And you want to change this fraction to an equivalent one with denominator 15. How do you change the 3 to 15? You multiply it by 5. You do the same at the numerator. You have to multiply this by 5. So the result will be 10. So basically you have 10 over 15. These fractions are equivalent to the initial ones. So instead of adding up the first fractions, 1/5 and 2/3, you add the two equivalent fractions, 3/15 and 10/15. So this addition will be changed to 3 over 15 plus 10 over 15. Now the denominators are the same, so the resulting fraction will be a fraction with denominator 15 and numerator the sum of the numerators, 3 plus 10. The result will be 13 over 15. I cannot simplify this further, so that's my final answer.